여러분 안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Korean Fluency Journey. 여러분, I've been making videos about negative sentences, how to make them in Korean, and we've had unnegative sentences, 치 못하다, 치 않아요, right? And most of the time when we talk about negative sentence, we said that they are mostly used with verbs. But 치 못하다 can also be used with adjectives. So this information is not provided in most of textbooks for learners of Korean. So in today's video, I will try to explain you what it means 치 못하다 with adjectives. So let's get started. So first of all, we should know what does it mean and what is the difference between 치 못하다 with adjectives and 치 않아요 with adjectives. So the expression 치 못하다 is usually used with verbs to indicate someone's inability to do something. As you know, we had in the previous video about 치 못하다. So someone's failed to do something. So in English, it can be translated as can't. I can't do something, or I cannot, I'm not able. So, but when you use it with adjectives, so this is the key point here, adjectives. So like cold, beautiful, smart, big, small, large, these words all are adjectives. So you can use 치 못하다 with adjectives. If you remember, I told that we cannot use 치 못하다 with adjectives, but actually there is exception. So today we are learning that. But 치 못하다, remember that you use it with verbs, usually verbs. So with adjective, it means that someone or somebody is not good enough at something or doesn't reach a certain level in something, right? Or yeah, fail to reach some sort of level in something. So in that case, you can use 치 못하다. So let's take the adjective 크다. 크다, it's translated big, right? Big. So we can say 안 크다, right? 크지 않아요, right? Normal. So it means not big. 안 크다, 크지 않아요. So it means not big. Not big. Sorry for my writing. It's not beautiful, but I hope you understand it. 크다. So, and now we try to use it with 크지 못해요. So the same thing, you add 치 못하다, and there's a space between them. Okay, so 크지 못하다, as you can see here, also there is a space. Okay, don't forget to separate them. Not here. You don't separate it here. You separate it here. Okay, so it's big, but not enough for me, let's say. So we all have expectations, right? For example, you are buying a new house and you saw the photo of the house and you thought that it was big. But actually it is big, but when you enter that house to see it before you buy, you find out that, oh, it's not that big enough. 크지 못해요. So I wanted something even bigger. Okay, so in that case, you can say 크지 못하다. But if you just say 크지 않아요, means like it's small. So yeah, this is direct translation. It's like not big, it's small. But if you say 크지 못해요, well, it is big actually, but not big enough for me. Okay, well, the concept of being big can be different to people, to everyone, right? So that's why 크지 못해 means not enough. This house is not big enough. It didn't reach my expectation. So next one is 넓다. 넓다, adjective 넓다 is wide, right? And now we want to say 넓지 못해요. Maybe let's say the road is not wide enough. If you look at the road or something like street, right? It is wide, but not that wide enough that you expected, right? Or that you want it to be. So in that case, you can say 넓지 못해요. If you say 넓지 않아요, it becomes that it's not wide, 100%. Okay, you're just using negative sentence. 넓지 못해요. It means, well, you don't want to be so direct at saying negative sentence. That's why maybe you all can also use it 지 못해요 to sound a little softer than just 크지 않아요 or 넓지 않아요. So not enough, not wide enough, not big enough. Okay? So now let's look at the example sentences, and I hope it will be even more clear with the example sentence. So 이 방은 넓지 못해요. 이 방은 넓지 못해요. So we have it here. 넓다, as you can know, to be wide. So 방 is a room, right? 방 is a room. Sorry for my writing. It's a room. 방, not bang, it's 방, okay? So this room is not wide enough, is not spacious enough. It is spacious, it is big, but not as spacious as I expected, okay? So 넓지 못해요. But if you say 넓지 않아요, it means it's not spacious. Spacious, it's very narrow, okay? Next one is 이 호텔은 깨끗하지 못해요. 깨끗하다 is an adjective to be clean. Okay, to be clean. So 이 호텔은 깨끗하지 못해요. Well, I can't say it's dirty, but it's not clean enough. Okay, so maybe we all want the hotels to be 100% clean, right? But there are some hotels that, well, do not live up to our expectations, right? So in that case, you can say, 이 호텔은 좀 깨끗하지 못해요. Well, you can't say it's dirty. It's not dirty. It's clean, but not as clean as you expected it to be, okay? It's not as clean or clean enough, not clean enough. 깨끗하지 못해요. So in that case, you can say 깨끗하지 못해요. But if you say 안 깨끗해요, 깨끗하지 않아요, it becomes it's not clean, 100%. It's dirty, okay? There is this tiny nuance in translation and the usage when you say 지 못해요 with adjectives and 지 않아요, okay? Next one is 그곳의 공기는 신선하지 못해요. 그곳의 공기는 신선하지 못해요. So 공기 is air. 공기 is air. Okay, air. And 곳 means as a place. Okay, this is just a place, the word place. Okay, place. So the air in that place or of that place is not fresh enough or is not as fresh as you expected it to be. Okay, 신선하지 못해요. Well, you cannot say 100% that it's not fresh. It is fresh, but not as fresh as you expected. Okay, so let's say if you think like it to be 100% fresh, but let's say it's 60%, right? Fresh or 70%. We still can say it is fresh because it's not a small number, right? Small percentage. Of course, it's not 100%. It can say 신선하지 못해요 because you want that place to be 100% fresh, the air. I mean, the air of that place, right? So 신선하다, to be fresh, 신선하지 못해요. Okay, so that's the main difference between 지 못하다 and 지 않아요 when you use it with adjectives. Okay, so the key takeaways from this today's topic, today's video is that 지 못하다, so 지 못해요, is used when something fails to reach a certain level, state, often due to an obstacle. Well, there might be some obstacles, some problems, right, for that thing to reach that level of, let's say, cleanliness or freshness, right? So in that case, you say 지 못해요, okay? And, well, maybe most learners, they are not familiar with this grammar because it's not frequently used in the speech. I mean, yeah, and we usually, I also noticed it usually in formal settings and or in writings and in books. So most people in the spoken language, I mean, in spoken Korean, they just say 지 않아요. So like 100% negation. 지 않아요. It's more like a not I don't say informal, but it's more frequent. 지 않아요. Okay. Oh my God, I should work on my writing. Um, yeah, and it's more formal, literally, and less common in daily speech. And in conversation, yeah, we just use it. 지 않아요. So in the previous sentence also, you can say 방은 넓지 않아요. Or 그곳의 공기는 깨끗하지 않아요. Or 신선하지 않아요. It's not fresh, it's not clean, it's not wide, right? So you are kind of 100% sure that, oh, it's not clean, it's not fresh 100%, it's not wide 100%. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's the difference between 지 못해요 and 지 않아요, and how you use it with adjectives. So yeah, I hope you find this information, this video helpful. And if you have any questions, suggestions, ideas, anything that you want to share, you can leave in the comment box. So thank you so much, and I wish you a very happy and enjoyable weekend. 여러분 감사합니다. 주말 잘 보내세요.